How to fix games crashing on Windows 11. What's up everybody? Welcome to another tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if your games have been crashing recently on your Windows device. So before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a quick thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. The first thing you need to do is go ahead and open up your Run dialog box. Just press Windows plus R and your Run dialog box will open up right here. And on your Run dialog box, you have to type this sysdm.cpl. Press OK and it will open up your system properties. Now on this window, what you need to do is go ahead and head over to the Advanced tab. Now click on the Settings menu on the Performance, and from here, by default, it should be selected on Custom, and all of these should be turned on. You just have to select it, Adjust for Best Performance, and then click on OK. Once you do that, you can close this all out, and right-click on your taskbar, click on Task Manager. So from here, you want to run a new task. Click on Browse. Now from here, you want to head over to C drive. Click on Windows, and from here, you want to find the System32. And once you get here, you want to find CMD. So just scroll down until you find cmd.exe. So I'm just going to search for it right here. So once you find cmd.exe, click here and click on Open. So make sure that your path is correct. It should be C drive, Windows, and System32, then cmd.exe. Then check this box that says create this task with administrative privileges. Click on OK, and your command prompt will run. So here you have to type a command that is sfc space and then /scannow. So once you do that, press enter. This command will also be available on the description, so you can copy it from there. And once you do that, once you press enter, it will take a while, few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes to complete its process. You just have to wait and restart your PC after the process is done, and your game should no longer lag. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.